Something big is happening in Queensland. We're building a state-of-the-art recycling and manufacturing supersite in Yatala.
This is our most advanced site yet, combining cutting-edge recycling, manufacturing and logistics all under one roof. It's a bold step forward for our business and for the glass industry.
We're using the latest technology to build a world-class glass recycling and manufacturing facility. The factory will use oxy-fueled furnaces and advanced cullet preheating technology, which will make Yatala one of the most energy-efficient glass packaging factories in the world.
We are looking for hands-on problem solvers, people with mechanical aptitude and can-do attitude. Whether you're an operator, technician or trade qualified, there's a place for you here. With over 100 roles available, you can make a real impact from day one. You don't need any prior glassmaking experience. We'll provide the training and support to get you up to speed.
Glass manufacturing is dynamic and interesting. Every day brings challenges and opportunities. There's always something to learn and improve. At full capacity, Yatala will produce up to 1 billion bottles a year, with room to grow. That means secure local supply for our customers today and long-term support for Australia's packaging needs.
Yatala is a hub for manufacturing and our supersite is part of a larger packaging precinct with other factories for cardboard boxes, food cans and beverage cans nearby.
It's the perfect location if you want to grow your career and at the same time enjoy the lifestyle that comes with being close to both the city and the surf. You'll have the chance to grow your career your way, supported by a team that values innovation, learning and development. This is the perfect opportunity for you to develop your skill set in SCADA system, PLCs and automation.
I'm most looking forward to seeing our ambitious project come to life. My ultimate goal is to see the first bottle come off the hot end line and witness the full potential of this innovative site.
I'm excited to create a new team from the ground up. It's a once-in-a-career opportunity. There's real positive energy in building something new and meaningful. This is more than a job. It's a chance to shape the future of sustainable manufacturing right here in Queensland. We're building for the long term, and that includes investing in your career.
Join the team crafting the glass packaging of Australia's most iconic food and beverage brands.
We are hiring now for our brand new facility opening in 2026. Visit visy.com/Yatala to apply.